students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English, Standard First, and topic is 3.3 Toto the Hen. Dear children, this is a story. Very short, nice and interesting story of a boy like you, okay, named Rahish, and his pet, the hen, named Toto. Come on dear children, let us watch and read the story. Toto the Hen. 3.3 Toto the Hen. See here, Rahish. Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Dear children, you know what is the meaning of hen. Hen means murgi. Okay, cock. C-O-C-K. Cock means murga. Here his pet is hen. Okay, murgi. See this? Her name was Toto. We keep names for our pet, isn't it? Like that, Rahish kept his pet's name as Toto. What this? Toto. Okay? Next thing is Toto lived in a coop. See, this is a coop. Toto lived in a coop. Coop means murgi ka ghar. Okay? Then Toto was a very smart hen. How was it? It was very smart. Please try to understand and try to read the words. Okay? Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. Okay? See here, he is giving food to Toto and he is playing with Toto here. Okay? You also play with your pet, isn't it? You also provide food to your pet cat or pet dog, pet rabbit, whatever, isn't it? You love your pet. Like that only, here Rahish used to give food, he used to play with that pet because he loved his pet, that is Toto. Okay, got this? They became good friends. Who? Toto and Rahish. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, see here, Toto laid an egg, then she used to make a special sound. Cock, 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 like that. Special sound she used to make. By hearing this sound, Rahish used to know about the egg. Okay? See here. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. Here it is egg, correct? And Toto, it is making cock, 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 cock sound. So Rahish came out. He fed the Toto and he took the egg for him. Got this? Then one night Rahish was sleeping in the bed. As usual, at night Rahish was sleeping inside the house in his bed. Okay, what happened then? He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, 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 cock. Rahish came out from the house. See here, he came out from the house and he saw the hen. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. See here, it is pecking Rahish's leg, right? Toto came near Rahish and it is pecking his leg. Means it is trying to tell Rahish something, isn't it? Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something is burning. Oh my God! The coop is on fire, he shouted. The coop was in a mess. See here. He looked around. What happened? Why this Toto is pecking my leg? So he saw at that time what he saw? The coop is on fire. See, it is burning. Okay? Then what he did? He ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. See, he ran to the tap, he connected the pipe and he showered the water on the coop and put out the fire. उसने क्या किया? पानी शॉवर किया, जलते हुए कूप को उसने बचाया. जलते हुए कूप की आग बुझाई. किससे बुझाई? पानी डालने से बुझ जाती है, आपको पता है ना. तो पानी डाला उसने, पाइप लेके, आग बुझ गई. ओके. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. Okay, he bent down and picked up Toto and said, "You smart hen, my dear friend." Yes, बहुत होशियार है मेरा hen. Like that he said. And he loved Toto. "You have saved my farm," said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, "Cock, cock, 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 cock." Yes, आपने मेरा पूरा फार्म बचाया. रहीश बोला, करेक्ट. टोटो कैसे जवाब दिया टोटो ने? टोटो रिप्लाइड लाइक कोक 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 कोक. Got this? A nice short story, isn't it? Because of this Toto, the Rahish farm saved. Correct? The Toto helped Rahish, isn't it? Look and say. We will move to these pointers. Okay? Here some words are there. P-E-T, pet. Then H-E-N, hen. W-E-N-T, went. C-O-O-P, coop. I hope you know the meaning of all these four words. Correct? Pet, hen, went, coop. Coop means मुर्गी का घर. Okay? Next, L-I-V-E-D, lived. E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y, every day. S-H-O-U-T, shout, चिल्लाना. Shout means चिल्लाना. P-I-P-E, pipe. You know, right? Next, S-M-A-R-T, smart. F-E-D, fed, खिलाया. B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning, जलने का. T-A-P, tap, You know the meaning, right? E-double-G, egg. B-E-D, bed. F-I-R-E, fire, arg. F-A-R-M, farm. Now here, read the story and complete the following sentences. Some sentences are given in the textbook that we have to complete. To complete those sentences, we have to read the story. Okay, let us read. Look, listen and read aloud. Please give concentration. Okay, one word we will read now. Rahish had a pet. It was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. Okay. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. He used to eat that. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto, cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and pecked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Smelled means खुशबू. कैसा खुशबू आई उसको? कुछ तो जल रहा है, जलने की खुशबू आई. ओके. Oh my God! The coop is on fire! He shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Put out means bujana. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, cock, 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 cock. Okay, got this? Now, just we read this lesson. Now we will try to complete the given sentences. Okay? Here you can see the sentences. Read the story and complete the following sentences. First one, Toto was a dash hen. Yes, it is there in that passage. Then B, Rahish used to give dash to Toto. Toto laid an dash. Toto happily replied to Rahish dash. Yes, here we will go through. First one. Yes, Toto was a very dash and smart hen, isn't it? Second one, Rahish used to give food to her every day. A sentence था second one, correct? Third, when Toto laid an dash, egg आएगा उधर. Okay? Next, Toto happily replied to Rahish dash. What? Cock, cock, cock. Right? Okay. Let us write these words in that sentences. Okay, here. Okay, first one. Tutu was a dash hen. What is that? Smart hen, isn't it? Toto was a smart hen. Rahish used to give food, correct, to Toto. Toto laid an egg, correct? Toto happily replied to Rahish, "Cock, cock, cock." Right? Very good. Like this, you have to complete the given sentences by using the passage. Thank you, dear children. Children, try to read this lesson 2 to 3 times. Okay? If any difficulty arises, ask your elders and try to get the knowledge of each word. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.